Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are at the Fesco gas station on Mandela Highway, and straight ahead you can see the convenience store, and then beside it you can see that's Tasty Patties. That store was just opened, so they have the sign Tasty since 1966, now open. It's just to let people know that the store, it opened a few weeks ago. Now, what's special about this gas station is look at how large it is. It has over probably 40 pumps, literally more than 40 pumps. I mean, about 40 pumps. So, this is why it's the largest gas station in Jamaica. And it was recently opened, and they put it on the busiest road in Jamaica, so naturally it will be so large. Okay, look at this pump. It has 4 just on that one station. So this is a new Fesco on Mandela Highway. And as large as it is, look at the amount of cars that are, it is 11 o'clock in the day, and look at the amount of cars that are using this gas station. Alright, so that's Fesco on Mandela Highway. It's the largest gas station in Jamaica and also the busiest. Okay, so we're going back on to Mandela Highway now, which is the busiest road in Jamaica. So well done to whoever built that gas station. You put it at the right location. And you think that gas station is busy now, or this road is busy? Wait till 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, when all the persons leaving from Kingston and St. Andrew to go back to Portmore and Spanish Town. Literally, this road will be backed up. This traffic that you see moving freely now, it's going to be bumper to bumper. That's how busy this road is. Alright, so today we're heading to the north coast. So we're going to take Mandela Highway to the Edward Siaga Highway, or the north-south leg of Highway 2000. So we're going to we're going to enter the highway from the Caymanos Toll Plaza. So the lane we're in now, if we stayed in this lane, we would access the PJ Patterson Highway, or the east-west leg of Highway 2000. Now, PJ Patterson Highway takes you to Maypen and eventually Mandeville. So it basically runs on the south coast. But we're going to the north coast, so we're going to take Edward Siaga Highway, which takes you to Ocharios, or more specifically, it takes you to Miami Bay. Now look at this. Now look at this. People build this nice road, Mandela Highway, and look at the people trying to go onto the other side. This is illegal. If the police were to see them, they would get a ticket. That's the kind of indiscipline that exists on the roads in Jamaica. So we're going to switch lanes. There's an ambulance behind us, so we're just going to let him go about his business. That is the kind, and it's not one car now, it's 2 cars trying to make that illegal turn. Not to mention they're going to damage their car. Unbelievable. But it happens every day. And I've seen somebody doing that, and the police drive up and blow them, and they had to get back on the road and do it properly. Now the problem why they're doing that is at this stoplight you can't make a U-turn. So for you to access the other side of the road, you probably have to go down to Central Village where you can turn, or go all the way down to the roundabouts by Twickenham Park and come back around. So basically that's why they're doing it. It's wrong, but that just happens every day. Alright, so at this intersection now, you turn left, you would go into Portmore. lane. We're still on Mandela Highway, but at this point the road becomes 2 lanes. That's because you only really need 3 lanes to go to Portmore. That's where 50%, or I would say 50% of the traffic that uses this road goes. And then a small amount will go towards Spanish Town. So you only really need 2 lanes here. But straight ahead on the right is where we're going to enter the Edward Siaga Highway at the Caymanos Toll Plaza. So we're turning off Mandela now. Okay, now this road was originally called the North-South Highway. So the sign still says Jamaica North-South Highway, but the road was renamed the Edward Siaga Highway. Now coming up on the left, you're going to see that green sign, and that sign says Edward Siaga Highway. There you go, Edward Siaga Highway, Highway 2000 North-South. Okay, so straight ahead you can see the sign Caymanos. So this is the Caymanos Toll Plaza. So if you are driving from Kingston to Ocho Rios, this is the road, this is where the road starts, the highway. And it ends in Miami Bay. But people just refer to it as Ocho Rios. I guess that's because Ocho Rios is a major town next to the highway. But the highway was built to connect Kingston to Ocho Rios, and you can make that journey in 45 minutes on the highway, while if you were not to take the highway, it would take you about an hour and a half. So this is Edward Siaga Highway. Very nice highway. You have this kind of road all the way to Miami Bay. Somebody just flashed their lights, so that probably means police are on the road doing probably checking for speeding. Let's call it a speed trap. So I think it's 80 kilometers per hour is the speed limit on this road. So we'll just drive at 80 until we pass the police. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.